Here is our 2-hour workday that we follow inside our community. And this is how people are learning to make daily pay working 2 hours a day, right? First thing, my friend, you have to promote a product that's in high demand. The second thing is you got to know how to get discovered, which is marketing. I just don't like to use the word marketing because you think of money, right? So when you are new, this is what you do. You spend 30 minutes a day copy and pasting free ads to high traffic websites for free. What does this do? This is going to build your email list, get your customers, that build your YouTube channel, okay? The second thing you're gonna do is create 3 videos. I discovered that TikTok is a great platform to use, so I chose TikTok. Takes about 45 minutes to create 3 videos, right? Then in the videos, you do what's called a CTA. So my CTA is, if you wanna learn more, put ready in comments. I would absolutely love to share with you. People will actually go to the comments and do that. You guys, that also builds your following, builds your email list. But then what I do is I reply back to those CTAs with visit dailypaybusiness.com for info. That takes about 15 minutes to reply to that. So do the math, 45 minutes, 15, that's an hour and 30 minutes. Then what happens is when they reply back, they get inside my Freedom Machine. This is our 6-figure funnel that we give you. They get inside that. And then I let people know, hey, reply to this email with any questions. It takes me about 15 minutes to reply to the emails. That's my 2-hour workday that has made me a very high 6-figure income. These drive results. This earns an income, and this is something anybody can do. First of all, you don't have to be tech savvy because this whole system I give you for free. I give it to you. Why do I give it to you? That way I can help it convert for you, my friends, right? I even show you products that you can promote that are in high demand that you make 100% profit. Kind of makes sense. Do you want to work hard for 20% profit, or do you want to work 2 hours a day for 100% profit? So this is how you literally can work 2 hours a day and have $600 days. So if you want to learn more, just put yes in the comments because I'd absolutely love to share this blueprint with you.